Okay, welcome to day 4 of 30 days of Python. Today we'll be looking at how to create our first program. So let's look at briefly. Create a simple calculator using a Python programming language that will take in two decimal numbers and give their sum, difference, product, and quotient. Now, before we do that, let's write an algorithm. So what is step 1? Algorithm. Now, step 1 of the algorithm is this. Accept the input of the first number. Step 2, accept the input second number. Step 3, find the sum. Step 4, find product. 6, shift. Now, the way this is going to work, we're going to take in the two numbers and then we're going to do what we said we will do. Now, the best way to work on this is we're going to also introduce comments. So before we start, let's look at the definition of a comment. A comment is a computer program that is intended only for the human user. It is completely ignored by the Python interpreter. To add comments in your Python script, you use the hash tag. These comments are known as Python code, so they will not influence your results. So let's see that in action. So the first thing you do, save file, new file, save. I have a Python folder on my computer, so I'd rather save it there. So I'll call this calculator.py, save. So in this case, once you have your algorithm, just copy and paste your algorithm. And then convert it to a comment, put the hashtag in front. So we've seen this before. So the program says accept the input of the first number. So we say first underscore number equals to float int. Now we add our input, sorry, not int, input. Then we add our prompt. Please enter so second number equals to float input. Please enter the second. Now we'll print sum of 1 and is first underscore number plus second underscore number. So we'll do the same for the difference. The first underscore number, second underscore number is, we'll do the same for the product. The product of first underscore number. And finally, we'll do the same for the, now let's check. It said, now because we want to quotient, so save and then run. So enter the first number, right? And it prints out exactly. So with that, we've created a very simple calculator in Python programming.